Alright guys, right now we are in Hoboken in New Jersey, right on Hudson River. This is really very nice spot where we can watch, where we can see New York City. The entire New York City can be seen from this side, from this shore of the river. This is the Midtown right across of us right now, and then once we will head south a little like this, here is the downtown of New York. Here's downtown New York, here is Midtown New York. Just in 1 second you can see all New York, the most important part of New York. I don't know if you can see George Washington Bridge over there, right there. I guess you can see it right now. I'm zooming a little. So once you cross the George Washington Bridge over there, you will reach the Washington Heights, and then you will come all the way from the uptown New York, from the Henry Hudson Parkway, and then you will enter the West Side Highway where these high buildings are starting, and then this is Midtown where you see the high buildings, the skyscraper. This is a pretty much new development over here, Hudson Yards. This Hudson Yards is out of a lot of new buildings. You can even notice the architecture is pretty much new comparing the rest of the New York skyscrapers. And one of the most important, actually I would say the most important, the landmark of New York is the Empire State Building right over here. It was the tallest building of the world once upon a time. Of course, right now a lot of different buildings in different places in the world, taller buildings, but it still is very important. It's the landmark of New York, Empire State Building. And of course there are also other buildings are made in downtown as well, especially after 9/11. They built another building over here called World Trade Center.